Subscribe to the Sprintwheelz YouTube channel and follow us on the social media handles for latest updates from auto industry.
BMW, a name that needs no introduction to all those automobile geeks out there. A brand that is so subtle in its engineering that brings performance and class under one roof. And this time around, BMW has added another car to its BMW lineup in the country, a car that is sportier and luxurious at the same time. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm talking about the BMW 6 Series Gran Turismo. Now the 6 Series GT is nothing but beauty from outside and beast under the hood. It replaces the 5 Series GT in the country and is based on the same platform as the 5 Series GT. Well, if we talk about the design and exteriors of this car, it bites off its predecessor by quite a mark. BMW thought of making the car look sportier and sleeker than the older model and has done a really great job. The new headlights look amazing and even extended all the way to the grille. The new grille design looks fresh, which definitely closes up the better aerodynamics and now becomes an iconic design element of the newly introduced BMW. At 5091 mm in length and 1902 mm in width, this car is definitely longer and wider. The car also stands at 1538 mm in height, which houses the coupe-like roof. Now the takeaway here is the roofline. The roof sweeps down sharply from the A pillar to the B pillar and gives it a complete sweet coupe form. However, the hidden element that you may not notice at a glance are the smartly placed air intakes present neatly near the wheel arches and the rear spoiler, which automatically deploys when the vehicle crosses 120 kmph mark. In short, an amazing design to begin with, which is surely going to be the head turner in the market. Now if we talk about the interiors, the exactly same scheme of luxurious and upmarket cabin is felt sitting inside the cabin of the BMW 6 Series Gran Turismo. Now the car might come with an option of M Sport package, which would carry brushed aluminium finish, which are amazing to gaze at. But for now, the trim which is on offer would bring in matte wood finish all around, which definitely will look classy. The dial seemed like changed its color with the drive modes you put in the vehicle. The comfort mode would give you a different lighting experience and the sport mode will turn it red in color. Now the center console welcomes you with the huge 10.25 mm touchscreen display, and for the first time in this country it offers Apple CarPlay, which does not require a cable. This touchscreen is crisp, easier to read and is powered by the latest BMW's iDrive feature. Convenience is the key that makes BMW stand class apart from other cars. You can either talk to the system, use gestures, touch and scroll it, and use control stick to toggle between the options available. Now talking about the space and comfort in the cabin of the 6 Series Gran Turismo, the cabin feels spacious when inside and the driver seats are really comfortable. The rear seat gets itself a 40-20-40 split option, which also enables you to recline the rear seat to your preference, which is sheer comfort, and the rear seat reclines up to 9 degrees. The seats, when folded down, can also increase the entire trunk usable for the airport transfers or to carry those bulky shopping bags. Now talking about the features in this car, it might take me another video to cover all those features. But for now, the standard features you get are the 8 airbags to cover up you for the collisions. You also get an ABS with EBD, ESP and traction control. You also get all the bells and whistles in the air conditioning, starting from the iconic 4-zone climate control and the rear AC vents also. In the infotainment section, we get to see the huge LCD screen which covers up navigation, radio, iPod compatibility, Apple CarPlay, which comes standards in all the BMWs, which complements the sound by 6+ speakers all around, giving you a pleasant experience while driving within the city or cruising at the highways. Now if we talk about the engine and performance, the Beast comes mated to a 2-liter turbocharged petrol engine that churns out 255 bhp of power at 400 Nm of torque. The car comes mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission that is also available with paddle shifters to make it easy for you to drive this car in the city as well as the highway conditions with ease. Now, BMW says that this car comes with BS6 emission standards and it comes with an air suspension which gives you lovely, comfortable and pillowish ride while riding on the long journeys. The car definitely performs well with such a petrol motor on board, which makes car reach 0 to 100 km mark in 6.1 seconds. Now don't expect much in return in terms of fuel economy, but yes, it does the job pretty well within the city as well as on the highways. Now BMW says that the car churns the mileage of about 15.63 km per litre, and for now the car will only be available with the base spec 630i Sportline variant. Now the latest addition to the GT lineup of the BMW, that is the BMW 6 Series GT, is definitely a head turner for all those GT fans. It looks fresh, comes up with whole new features and has a Bavarian car manufacturer brand name added to it, which definitely needs no introduction. Launch of this vehicle has happened at the autoexpo 2018 and is set to hit the Indian roads soon. Now with a price tag of just 58.90 lakhs ex-showroom, the new 630i or the petrol beast is definitely a go-getter for all those who can house this in your garage. And for now guys, subscribe to the Sprintwheelz YouTube channel for latest updates from automobile industry, and smash the like button if you like this video, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can receive latest updates from Team Sprintwheelz. Also share this video with your friends, family and college mates. Also follow us on social media handles like Facebook and Instagram because we update them on a daily basis with the latest car news from the automobile industry. Until then, it's your host Hitesh from Team Sprintwheelz and I'll see you later. Until then, stay tuned.